Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing, probably revisiting, because I'm sure I've done this before. Maybe not in video, but I know I did it on Instagram. I'm going to be doing, I don't know what I'm doing, a dry brush neon. Really super easy to do, really cute. It goes with anything in the summertime. Take this ring off this finger. But that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm already set up on the nails. I already have a base coat on, cured for 30 seconds. I used Princess Nails by Diana's base coat. Really love this. I've got orange, yellow, purple, blue, and green. I'm just going to be taking each one of them, wiping them off. Just, if I cannot move my mat, putting different colored slashes all over the nails. And that's kind of just it. Take any colors you want. This does not have to be for summer and neons. You can do this any time of the year. This would be really pretty for Christmas with gold and green and red. It would be really pretty. Really pretty. I'll have to try that at Christmas time. Food for thought. Somebody remind me. If you are new here, please subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you came through, so we can have a little bit of conversation back and forth, a little bit of chit chat where we can get to know one another. Currently, I have I have two giveaways going on. I have my international $20 US PayPal, which I draw August 1st. You can enter that. Look for that video. Don't enter here, but look for that video. And I have my US giveaway going on, so check those two out. Enter wherever you live. And that US one I have sponsors for, so check that out. You must be, for both, you must be subscribed to my channel and stay subscribed. It's not, subscribe and then we don't do that here. It's not cool. It's kind of rude. I'm sure a lot of YouTubers would agree with me. So now I'm going in with my orange. Well, that was kind of a big splash, wasn't it? Just a little dabble-dee, that's what I'm trying to do. A little dabble-dee. So I'm going to do this with Princess Diana's colors, but I don't have them yet. Not sure when I will be receiving them. Soon, I hope. I have to see how things work out. Keep your fingers crossed for me. I'm going to go in with some yellow here and put a little bit of splash of that on the nail. Gotta have some neon yellow in the mani. Whoops. Keep it out the cuticles and the sidewalls. But we gotta have some yellow. Whoops. And it's not dry brushing, Cherie. Not dry brushing at all. We've got gobs of. Let me see if I can get rid of some of that. This is real nail polish. Just so you know, I am turning this into a gel manicure because I am, base and top coat is going to be gel. Could you even see any of what I just did? I bet you couldn't see, could you? I'm so sorry. Here's what I did. I took each brush, wiped it off to the best of my ability, and slashed it over each nail of each color. I think it looks really cute. We're going to give that a minute or two to dry because it is real nail polish, and I will be right back with you. Alrighty, we're back. Had myself a little coughing fit while we were off camera, but I'm alright now, and this is just going to be a beautiful little mani we're doing here. I'm going to add me some bling. Add me a little bit of bling. That's just not enough. Gotta have us some bling. We'll see what we can get into here. There we go. There is one. 2. Line these up a little bit better. I hate when I can't get these babies to flip over. There we go. And 3. There we go for that nail. I'm just going to top coat the middle nail. Also, I'm just going to top coat the pinky. The ring finger, I'm going to have some bling as well. Let me see. Get me some of the tiny ones out. Same design, different color stones, different size stones. There we go. There we go. Gotta pop this in the lamp. And we will be right back. We are back. Our nails are totally cured. Our manicure is finished. What do we think? We got a little bit of bling going on. What do we think? Easy, easy, easy breezy summer manicure. I've done this before on my channel, I know, but the feeling just struck me to do it again. And I don't know, I was just moved to do it. So here we are. This is the end of our video. Please leave me a comment down below. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, and share my videos, please. Please also ring that bell. It's down in the corner over there on your right hand side. When you ring the bell, you get 3 options now. Please click all. That way you get notified of all videos that I upload. I upload 3 times a week at least. Sometimes 4. I'm a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday gal. And lately I've been doing some Model 1s on Monday. You definitely might want to check out my Saturday videos. It's the original She Modern series for She Modern Saturday. So check me out. Let me know what you think. Comments are always welcomed. I enjoy the conversations back and forth. You know, get to know everyone. So yeah. So thank you and have a blessed day.